Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to remove dark mode in Microsoft Word. So first, open Microsoft Word and click on File, then go to Account and go to Office Theme under the Account section. Now here you have four options. The first one is colorful, dark gray, black, and white. So to change the black mode, just select one of the others. The dark gray looks like this. For the colorful one, it looks like this. And for the white theme, it looks brighter than the colorful theme, and the ribbon is white instead of blue. And yeah, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.